Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk. Eddie the magic monk.
Hey guys, this is Eddie the Magic Monk. I'm here with my friend Olivia, who is a yoga instructor in Brisbane, who has just recently opened up her own yoga studio. So as you guys know, I've been trying to do yoga for a while, and I'm gonna get Olivia to give me a hand on some yoga stuff. So Olivia, let's start off with what is yoga?
Hey, wow, what is yoga? That is something I'm still trying to understand because of the depths of the history of what yoga is. But from what I've gathered when I studied in India was yoga can mean the union. For me, it means the universal. It comes in more spiritual than I thought. And it's more than just the postures, it's connecting the mind, body, the spirit as well. And although it can be taken away from religion completely, it follows the 8 limbs of yoga. And one of them is the asanas, which is the postures. And then that is one of 8. So then you've got the others, which is yoga is basically the meaning sadhana. It's the way you sit, the way you eat, the way you drink, the way you stand, the way you sit. It's everything you do basically to achieve a goal in a sense. But a higher goal, if I don't say myself, basically go into a higher state of consciousness. So I think that's what yoga is.
All right, that's a lot of information. I thought yoga was just an exercise you do at the gym.
Yeah, that's what I thought before I left for India.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.